Hello and welcome to your 16th Just Basic tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be going over how to make a background and load it into Just Basic, and basic text loading into Just Basic, like static text and text boxes. Okay, so first off we'll load the background. Okay, so open up MS Paint and begin. Okay, so first off, let's make our background. So make the background or canvas size of this image same size as the window. So 500 of 500. Okay, so now you can just draw your background. I'll edit mine and stuff, and I'll tell you when I'm done. Okay, I'm done. So now you want to go out to File, Save As, and then go to the folder where you created this where you're following this tutorial series, and save the image as bg.bmp. So go down here and make sure 24-bitmap is selected, and name your image bg.bmp. Okay, so I'm not going to resave it because I already saved it. Okay, now we made the image, we can start loading it into the program. Okay, so right after quit, that's what we're going to write this. Oh yeah, one thing. Just Basic is a case-sensitive language, but this used to be a capital I, so I changed it to a lowercase because I like to make it look neat and stuff. Okay, anyway, so right after the quit button, we're going to write load BMP, and then space, and in quotations we're going to name our background image, what we're going to use to call it. So we're going to name this BG for background, sure. Okay, comma, and now in another set of quotation marks we're going to write where the image is. So if you put the image in the same folder as the tutorial, at this program, wherever you put it on your computer, then you can just write bg.bmp, because that's what you save the name as a file, because that's the name of the file. Okay, and if you save this somewhere else, you're just gonna have to put out the entire address of the file. So maybe c/desktop/ bg.bmp. Okay, so anyway, so we're just gonna make this for now. Okay, so after you loaded the image, now we're going to put it on the screen. So make sure you I'll put the image on screen after you make the window. So after open GUI program for graphics. Yeah, okay. So anyway, so after this stuff, here's how we're going to load it. So we're going to type print, and then the file handle, comma, and then in quotation marks we're going to write background, comma, and then after so we're going to write background space BG. Close up. So now you just leave the quotation marks, and on the next line we're going to write print branch label. Then the quotation marks we're going to write draw sprites, because the draw sprites command actually draws the sprites and stuff, so the images and the background and the different sprites you using Just Basic onto the screen. Okay, so now we can run this program. And as you can see, the background has loaded. It should successfully load for you as well. So the program is still working, so it's done. Okay. So now that we have just finished successfully loading the background, and we're at about 6 minutes, I'm going to start teaching you guys how to write static text. Okay. So we'll write this right after load BMP. So type static text, and then branch label, followed by what we're going. So followed by what we're going to write as our static text. So let's write hello world. Simple. Okay. So the name, what we're going to write, comma, then we're going to put it. So the X position we're going to put it at 230. The Y position we'll put it at 40. And then how big, so the width and the height. So let's make it skinny, so we'll make it 70 long. Just wondering, we'll make it 70 pixels long, and we'll make it 30 pixels long. So now you can just load it up, and let me find it. Hold on. Let's not do static text today. Instead, let's do the text box. So change static text to text box. Okay. So for text box, you need the handle, then and then I believe it's just like this. Okay, so let's try it. Oh, also one more thing. All text boxes need extension. Extension is when you put like the handle, which is 1 apparently, and then you put a dot next to it, and then we name it. So we'll name it box. So we'll name it box 1. Simple. Okay, so now we can run it. And as you can see, our text box is right here. Right, input into it. Nice and cool. Okay. Well, that's all I want to cover for this tutorial, and I think I'll leave it here. So thank you guys for watching, and in the next tutorial I'll be going over using the GUI editor, and then after we're done using it, we're going to output the code, and then we're going to further edit combo boxes and stuff. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.